There were 5 contenders for the speakership of the 8th House of Representatives: Abdulmumin Jibril from the Northwest, Pali Iriase from the South-South, Tahir Mongono, Northeast, Yakubu Dogara, Northeast, and Minority Leader of the 7th House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila. As the campaign gathered momentum, 2 of the candidates, Tahir Mongono and Pali Iriase, stepped down for Femi Gbajabiamila, while Abdulmumin Jibril stepped down for Yakubu Dogara. The contest became like a 2-horse race between Yakubu Dogara and Femi Gbajabiamila, with efforts by the All Progressives Congress (APC) to get one of the contestants, especially Dogara, to step down for Femi, who was rumored to have been anointed by the APC leader, Senator Bola Tinubu, proved abortive. The party resorted to a mock election which produced Femi as the winner and was adopted as the consensus candidate for the speakership, a move that did not go down well with the Dogara's camp. At the commencement of the 8th Assembly, the stage was set for the election of the Speaker. On the arrival of the clerk of the Assembly into the Green Chamber, excitement was in the air as supporters of the 2 major contenders chanted solidarity songs. After the exercise, Honorable Yakubu Dogara emerged winner with a total vote of 182 against Femi Gbajabiamila's 174 votes.
Faithfully, in accordance with the law, and the rules of the House, and the rules of the House, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being and prosperity, of the Federal Government of Nigeria,
of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
that I will strive to preserve
the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state,
the fundamental objectives and the directive principles of state.
Reacting to the process, some lawmakers said it was transparent and democratic.
The transparent process, and I think this is the first time in a long time we've experienced something like this in the House, where nominations are not actually done outside the House, actually done on the floor of the House in accordance to the will of the members. So I believe since the desire of the members of the House to have elected our new Speaker, I believe he would do well to ensure that the House remains one and we put the interests of the nation paramount so that we can actually translate the dividends of being in the House to those that have entrusted in us the mandate to represent them effectively.
Well, I think the rules were followed in line with the order of the day and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and we thank God for the process. It shows that democracy is now having the required force that it needed to have. What you have seen today in the Parliament is the show of free will and everybody exercising what they feel is right.
Well, this is the beauty of democracy. When we here today, you saw the opposition work with the majority party in the House to produce a speaker. Wonderful.
We have voted in a speaker, and the process was clean, clear, and transparent.
Indeed, I am satisfied with the process. It has been truly a democratic process. And yet again, the PDP has shown that there's strength in unity.
Today, I've already have a winner and we have a speaker. And we just have to work together now because Nigerians are watching. They expect a lot from us, not politics of shenanigans and plain partisan politics, collective effort, putting Nigeria first.
Once again, the House of Representatives has made it clear that the power of godfatherism in the selection of its own leaders to pilot its affairs is coming to an end. Charity Tanko, ITV News, Abuja.